Hello children, today we will be starting with a new chapter, that is, the name of the chapter is Process and Basis of Accounting. The main objective of this chapter is to make you aware and acquainted with the various steps of accounting process and the basis of accounting, that means which base to be followed, that is cash basis or accrual basis, etc. Okay, so let us get started with the chapter in details. Now here we have the process or steps in accounting. There are basically 5 steps in the process of accounting. First one is identification of transaction. That means we have to identify the various events as transaction. As you all know what is the meaning of transaction, that means the events which have some economic nature, which have some monetary aspects in it, so those are termed as transactions. So first of all we have to identify the transactions. Next step is preparation of vouchers. Voucher, as you all must be aware of the term, that voucher is the document where we record the transaction for the first time. So voucher can be a sales voucher, it can be a purchase voucher, and in the voucher we have details of the transaction. That means whether we have done a credit purchase or a credit sales, who is the debtor, who is a creditor, all these things will be mentioned in the voucher. So then next step is preparation of voucher. After this voucher is prepared, then we record these transactions from vouchers to the books of original entry. Now books of original entry is your journal. That means for the first time you are recording in your books. That means you maintain a books for your accounting transaction. So that is the first place where we are recording the transactions from the vouchers. Okay, then after the journal, that means in step number 3 we have made the journal. From journal we will be posting into ledger. That means we will make a separate account for the creditors, for the purchase, for the debtors, for whatever transaction that we have incurred. Okay, so those are ledger. So I hope by now you know what is a ledger account. We are very much acquainted with it. Okay, now from this ledger we will simply post them to the financial statement. That means we will make the PL account and the balance sheet or the trading account or the trial balance, whatever is the financial statements needed for our requirement. So accordingly we will make the financial statements. Okay, now this is the simple and short explanation of the various steps that I have given you. This is the gist of it. Now the detailed explanation will be given to you in the subsequent classes. So please follow my classes and do let me know if you have any problem in the chapter. Okay, so thank you all.